So I've been asked the question, how has Dr. Sadeghi and or his Clarity Cleanse book helped me? I don't even know where to begin. I've known Dr. Sadeghi for 11 years. When I met him, I was on Synthroid for my thyroid, hoping one day after 7 years of taking it, I would be able to go off of it and take something natural. And it just so happens that I ran out of the last pill of the Synthroid, and I was in trouble because I had moved to a new place, to California, and I didn't have a doctor. And so my friend Cindy said, oh, I heard about this guy, Dr. Sadeghi, and I called him on a Saturday, and he met me on a Sunday. And when I met him, I'm quite sure there were tears because I just knew I was safe. Like, my intuition told me this is it. Like, this is the time for healing. And he's unafraid. He was unafraid to tell me that he thought my adrenals were shot, and he was and is, to this day, compassionate. And he really listens. And he's taught me to listen. People from all over the world love Dr. Sadeghi because he is love. Like, he just is love. There's no judgment. There's just only this compelling desire to kind of, you know how he does that movement? Like, I can't do it. But like to get in there, to prompt questions, to activate your healing. It really is the belief. We match absolutely in the belief in what he says, that our biography dictates our biology. That means whatever is going on emotionally, situationally, it's showing up in our blood work. It's showing up in our bodies, and it's there in black and white. So Dr. Sadeghi has given a black and white medical explanation time and time again to things that I come in boo-hooing about, like, this is going on and this is going on with this person, or this happened. And he's like, well, it's showing up, and this is what we're going to do about it, with herbs, with IV, with lymphatic drainage, with care, and this is the other thing that I absolutely love about Dr. Sadeghi, is that he has words of love. The containment that he talks about in the Clarity Cleanse, there's a story where somebody was practically dying on the side of the road after a motorcycle accident. And there was a hysterical woman helping that person that looked like they could have died at any moment. And she was like, you're really hurt. This is horrible. You're really hurt. And Dr. Sadeghi came along and said, I love you. You're going to be fine. And in that moment, that man relaxed, being contained in love and good words. So when you come to Dr. Sadeghi, or you understand something about yourself in this book, you're going to know that there is healing. There is we absolutely have the power to heal ourselves. All we might need is a little bit of prompting, and that is exactly what is in this very rich, very generous book. I mean, this is not light reading. It is something to read, get into, settle yourself in, prepare yourself to dig in, delve in, and to heal yourself and those around you, and be the best person you can be in a way that is, I would say, next level. You know, I talk about food, and I always say raw food isn't everything, but it's the first thing. Obviously, eating a high green diet, eat sardines, don't eat sardines, that's not the point. Mind what you put in your mouth, mind what you're living with in your environment. I talk about feng shui and decluttering all the time to live a life that is clean, clear, and bright. Every decision I make, is this going to lead me towards a life that's clean, clear, and bright? And I feel like this book came in 6 or 7 years after I've been doing these videos on YouTube to take us all to the next level. We've done the food, we've done the home. What about what's going on inside of our cup, in our bodies, and in our lives, situationally and emotionally? So even if you can't see Dr. Sadeghi in person, you get to have Dr. Sadeghi at your fingertips in the Clarity Cleanse. So I'm excited to delve into it further, and I guess I'll keep you posted. And I'm just really happy to be of service to someone as amazing as Dr. Sadeghi.